Yuzu's antioxidants can help protect skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation. Collagen production. Yuzu can help stimulate collagen synthesis, which can lead to firmer skin. Detoxifying. Yuzu can help cleanse the skin and remove impurities. Anti-inflammatory. Yuzu can help soothe irritated and sensitive skin. Skin barrier function. Yuzu can help enhance the skin's barrier function, preventing moisture loss. Incorporating hair formulas with Yuzu into your daily shower routine can help boost strength as well as shine and support the growth of new tresses. Yuzu bath also helps the skin feel silky and smooth, that it eases fatigue and sore muscles, and may even promote better circulation. Yuzu, the fruit itself, contains an abundant amount of vitamin C, about 3 times as much as that of a lemon, as well as antioxidants, which help bolster the immune system, which in turn help combat colds and viruses. There are also reports saying that a Yuzu bath also helps the skin feel silky and smooth, that it eases fatigue and sore muscles, and may even promote better circulation. This is mostly due to the effect of nonylin, a chemical present within the oil of Yuzu, as well as other citrus fruit, in combination with the relaxing effects of warm baths and hot springs. Yuzu's fresh and therapeutic scent also makes it a popular aromatherapy fragrance, whether as part of a bath or as an essential oil. Many have found Yuzu's scent has the ability to help them relax and even reduce stress. 2. Yuzu skin benefits include, but are surely not limited to, various antimicrobial properties, a rich antioxidant composition, a natural protection against UV rays, and even a protection against wrinkles. Yuzu is technically classified as a citrus fruit. Its tangy smell is uniquely potent, and it has a particular bumpy and uneven exterior skin. Yuzu typically grows in Tibet and areas of China and Japan, and it has been revered and used for both its culinary and beauty purposes, while Yuzu-infused products have been used for centuries in these regions. Yuzu skincare products have only recently gained traction. Elsewhere around the world, Yuzu contains vitamin C and other compounds that can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Brightening. Yuzu's vitamin C can help even out skin tone and fade dark spots. Hydration. Yuzu contains natural humectants that help keep skin hydrated and plump.